Alright guys, for those of you who want to know how to buy Bitcoin with a credit card or debit card, you are in the right place. So, first of all, when trying to purchase Bitcoin with your card, do not use any website because most companies that sell to you, they are either too expensive, meaning that you will end up getting your cryptocurrency, but it costs you almost twice of the amount you paid. And most of these websites are actually scams and they don't have very good customer support. Now, what I'm going to introduce you to is the only website that I personally trust right now to buy any form of cryptocurrency. You can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or any form of cryptocurrency you want in just a few seconds. Everything on this website is very cheap, not a lot of fees, and they actually have very good customer service. So if something goes wrong with your transaction, they are basically always online to help you get it done. Okay, so the link to this website is in my video description down below, but make sure you watch this video to the end before going to the website. It's very important because at the end of this video, you will also learn how to use someone's card to make the purchase. Now all you have to do is to just register your account with your name, email address and phone number. That's all you really need to do this. Let me just log in so I can show you my back office. The cool thing about this website is if you don't want to verify your account, your ID, it's totally optional. Most of these platforms that you have to buy a cryptocurrency from require that you do identity verification. Now for me personally, I hate doing identity verification. So this website worked out perfectly for me. Let me show you my verification. You can see that right now. Only my email and phone number have been verified. Very simple stuff, right? It takes me less than 5 minutes to do that. The only disadvantage is the limit that I have. So I can only buy $150 worth of cryptocurrency. And like I said, for me, this is perfectly fine. For you, this may be fine. But if you want to be able to buy more, maybe you want to buy $1,000 or more, you can choose to verify your identity if you want to. It's totally up to you. If not, if you just want to see what cryptocurrency is all about and what the experience is like using this website, that's fine. Because every cryptocurrency has different fees and has different happening on its network every day. So if you want to get your fee less, just try to buy some Litecoin. It's a very cheap coin and you'll get your Litecoin very quickly sent to your wallet address. So I click the buy button here and confirm everything. Prices and time are 5 to 30 minutes. So make payments and I'll be taken to the screen. I can choose to pay with Google Pay. If you have that, it's good for you. But if you don't have one, you can use any other payment methods. Now I have to put in my card number. Like I said before, it doesn't even have to be my card number. It can be my mother's card, my father's card, my girlfriend, my wife's, my dog's card. I know many of you are very young and most of you are below 18. So you really don't have a credit card yet. So maybe you're using your mom's card, which is totally fine. You just put in all the information here, whatever, and you get your cryptocurrency sent to your wallet. If you need a link to this website, everything is in my video description below. I hope you enjoyed this video.